Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Leo didn't want to play alone, so he's gonna be in this intro with me. And if you're new here, my name is Gintara. I have 8-month-old son and I create a lot of family-based content. Also, I am a makeup artist, so I'm sharing a lot of makeup tips on here, more on Instagram than here, but anyway. And then I'm doing a lot of fun DIYs because this is why I love doing it. And if you like this kind of content, please consider to subscribing and also press the bell button, then you're gonna get the notification when I upload a new video. And from next week I'm uploading twice a week. I love Christmas just because it is that kind of celebration that you spend a lot of time with the family, you gather around, you eat, you play, you just have fun, like all of you. This year it is really special for us as well because it's the first Christmas for Leo. Oh my god, I sleepy. Okay, so it is the first one for him and I just wanted to do it all, like decorate the house, do the photo shoot for Leah. My idea was to do a photo shoot in a studio, but as you know, it is COVID around and it's just really hard to find one at the minute. And also it is so expensive. Like I checked the prices and everything and they charge like £200 for like an hour and you get like 10 pictures. Well, I'm not paying that. In this video you are going to see how I done photo shoot for Leo, so baby photo shoot ideas, and also I'm gonna guide you through my home decor, how we decorate our house, and most important thing, we done some fun DIYs and it was so cheap as well, so some wonderful ideas how you can decorate your house and don't spend fortunes. Also, if you like this makeup look, I know I look crazy and you're not used to see me like that, go check my Instagram account. I always upload like our daily life in the stories, and then I create a lot of makeup looks and makeup tutorials and I put everything on my Instagram. Okay, so let's start with the video. First I decided to make this beautiful light bulb because I thought it's going to be a nice decoration for Leo to play with during the photo shoot. It is actually really easy to make. All you need is a glue, just a craft glue and a yard. As you can see, I was pouring my craft glue into the bowl and then I mixed with a little bit of water and kept mixing everything till I got a consistent paste. I soaked the thread into the paste that I done and then I started to wrap it around the balloon till there is no thread left. In the end, it's supposed to look something like this, and then I hanged, as you can see here, for it to dry it faster. Now it's completely dry and I'm gonna try and pop the balloon. I'm a bit scared because I'm not sure if it's gonna work. I should have put some more glue because it's not that hard, like as you can see. Just take out the balloon from inside and that's it. As you can see, I added the Christmas lights inside and Leah was helping me, and then it turned out great decoration for my house and for Leah to play with. Also, I did wrap up some fake Christmas presents to go underneath my Christmas tree. I haven't done my Christmas shopping yet, so fake ones has to be for now. started decorating the area where my Christmas tree is standing. I didn't bought anything special this year, so I just started to gather the items that I can find in my house and created a neutral tones vintage inspired setup. And this is how everything turned out. Honestly, I'm really happy and pleased how it looks like. Yesterday from Tesco I bought this, which is like a fake snow spray and a stencil. I thought that the stencils are going to be like mini, but they are pretty big. It is 8 different, and I am going to do like a decoration on the window. Okay, so the idea is to tidy up this mess over here because we are going to do the setup for the photo shoot for Leah. This is how I keep Leo toys, and it's such a great idea because you can separate the toys. I know there is no organization whatsoever, but if it's nicely put then it's a great way to organize the child's toys. Also, I started prepping for the shoot and I done a little mistake because when I took the pictures the window was in the back, so the lighting wasn't that great. Next time I would shoot with my window in front for the better lighting. Then I started doing photo shoot for Leah, and honestly he is such a good child. He just like sits in one place and let me shoot him, but it's also a good idea to have someone to help you with because he can like entertain the baby and then you can just take pictures of him. Honestly, you don't really need to invest a lot of money in a baby photo shoot, and the pictures turn out great as well. I'm really happy with them. If you want to see more of them, you can always go into my Instagram account. I am going to post them there, and the link is in the description box down below. And that's a wrap for today, guys. Thank you really much for coming back to my channel. It means so much to us, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a nice and quiet time with your family.